Hi guys, welcome to Susi Santiago. I'm Margot. I'm the designer here and also project manager. Sorry, I will explain you my the last building we did, the last project. It's conversation of a Sprinter 315. So let's start. When we receive a project, what we do first? So we talk with the client, with the traveler, with the owner of the van, um, but he needs what he needs in the vehicle in terms of electricity, what he will connect, how long he will travel, if he will live in the vehicle, if he needs to sleep, to work, to take a shower, to cook, the needs. Then, in parallel with the client, we will develop the design. Once we have the design ready, we receive the vehicle. Here we are. We receive an empty vehicle. To start, we install the solar system. Most of the time in our installation, we work with solar system. We have a 355-watt solar panel on the roof. We have a charge controller there. There. We have a charge controller that gives us all the information of the current going into the battery, into the system. We have here two batteries, deep cycle batteries of 150, hidden in the compartment of the bed. And this system is a 12-volt system. Okay, the 12-volt system, what do we have in this 12-volt system? We try to connect most of our components in 12 volts. We have the lights first. We have 3 lights in this vehicle. I will show you on the other side, 3 lights. Okay, so here we are inside the van. I will show you what we have in 12 volts. Connected in 12 volts, first we have the lights. One first light here is for the kitchen and the dining area here. And we have 2 lights under the shelves also. So we have our system here. I can switch on the lights. That's what we have first in 12 volt. Also in 12 volt, we have in the kitchen the water pump. The water pump is for our sink, so I can open here. I'll switch on, we can hear it. And I open my sink. Okay. What else in 12 volts? In 12 volts, we also have our fridges. Here we have a fridge and a freezer. Fridges, so one main fridge of 40 liters and one second fridge that we actually will use as a freezer. They go until minus 20 Celsius degrees, 20 liters. That's what we have in 12 volt in the kitchen. We also have in 220 our gas stove. So the gas stove, it has an automatic way to open, 2 fires close to the window. So good for the ventilation when you are cooking. We talked about the kitchen. In 12 volt, we also have at the back a shower that you will see later in the video. About the design, so once we did the installation of the electricity, we're gonna insulate all the van. Walls, roof, floor, we're gonna cover with wood. All the colors, we are choosing it with the clients. The clients are choosing the aesthetic of their van. Here it's a dark brown. We let like a wooden color for the cover of the kitchen. He chose also the mattresses with this nice gray. So all the aesthetic we talked about together with the client. Once we did the installation of the electricity, once we insulated the van, once we have it covered with wood and the floor also ready, we start with the building of the furniture. It's all custom. Basically here the traveler, the client wanted one big bed platform, one long 190 bed platform that can transform into a dining area with storage underneath. He wanted a kitchen with also the option to have another dining point, let's say like that. If you don't want to do every day your bed and you don't want to open the table that is part of the bed, you just wake up, make your coffee, and you can here easily use this tablet to eat your breakfast. So that's the way we did this design. A lot of things that you can use in many ways. Why? Because also this tablet you can use it to cook, like a second work plan, right? So that's for the kitchen area. A lot of storages, also hidden storages here, for example, for your bottles. Okay, here the bed, for example, when you're using the kitchen, if you don't want to remove all your bed installation, if you are like cooking at night, you don't want to move everything, you can just remove these parts and access all your storage here for the kitchen, right? Also, here we are, I'm gonna show you how we transform the bed platform in dining platform. Aquí entro la mesa. Here I open the kitchen, I open the table. Here it can be an extra seat, right? It can be an extra seat. This one, I prefer to put it actually on the other side as you want. And here you're ready. You can work, you can eat, or you can order sushi. I think that's it.